Bombs, whether designed to go off on impact or not, will normally penetrate to a considerable depth. About 10% of all bombs fail to go off. And now you'll want to know, will it go off by itself? Or will anything set it off? The answer is in the fuse. Here is a section through a 50-kilo bomb which enables us to see the general fusing and exploder system employed in all sizes of German bombs of 50 kilos and over. The fuse is located in the side. The fuse itself fires an initiator known as the gain. Fuse, gain. The gain is a small cartridge of extremely powerful and highly sensitive explosive. The gain is surrounded by this ring picric pellet, and below this are one or more solid picric pellets, depending on the size and type of the bomb. These, in turn, are surrounded by the main explosive of the bomb, TNT, or whatever alternative is used. The explosive, therefore, is actually built up in three main stages: gain, picrics, main charge. All German fuses in bombs of 50 kilos and over are of the electric type and work on the same principle. In the fuse cap are two plungers. As the bomb leaves the plane, a condenser is charged through one of these plungers. While the bomb is in the air, this charge leaks through a resistance to the firing condenser. As the bomb strikes the ground, a sensitive spring is vibrated in the cup, and this makes the contact, firing a percussion cap which fires the gain. If the other plunger is used for charging, then the same sequence of events takes place, with the additional short delay of a slow-burning fuse before the gain is fired. Broadly speaking, German fuses are divided into three classes. The first is the impact fuse, which is designed to detonate the bomb either instantaneously or through a slow-burning fuse, which gives a small delay up to 15 seconds. The second type is the delay action. It consists of a fuse similar to the impact fuse, except that it fires a mechanism which starts a clock. And it is this clock which in turn fires the gain. The clock may be set to operate at any time up to 80 hours after landing. Sometimes the clock starts and then jams for some reason. It may then be in a highly sensitive condition, needing only a slight jar or vibration to restart it, and possibly detonate the bomb in a matter of seconds or as much as half an hour or more. Although this fuse could be used in any sort of bomb, its use at present has been almost entirely confined to the 250 and 500 kilo types. So you'll be well advised to treat any suspected 250 UXB with particular respect. Next we have a booby trap, the Zeus 40. Should the fuse be withdrawn, the booby trap detonates the bomb by means of this striker, which you can see move across the bottom. The striker fires a percussion cap, which explodes the gain. The booby trap is inserted in the fuse pocket in this manner, between the picrics and the main fuse, the gain of which holds back the mechanical striker. Here's a fuse pocket containing a delay action fuse with its clock and gain. Here is the striker of the booby trap, which is held back by the gain and is prevented from being forced by this spring to detonate the cap. The cap, through this flash path, explodes the gain of the booby trap and detonates the bomb. Now watch what happens when the main fuse is withdrawn. Let's take a closer look and do it again. This is the anti-handling fuse. It is similar in design and appearance to the ordinary impact fuse, but the charge does not leak through to the firing condenser until after the bomb has landed. Then, any vibration will complete the circuit through the sensitive spring contact and detonate the bomb. In this case, we have had the fuse specially wired up so that any vibration which causes the firing contact to close will light a flash lamp and register current on the ammeter. By the way, this particular bomb shows the welded design of the SC type very clearly indeed. Now you'll notice that the slightest vibration is sufficient to make the flash lamp light up, and would therefore detonate any bomb fitted with this fuse. Moral again, don't meddle with fuses.